So over here you can see that I have a form right here, and if I were to go around onto the preview section, then you can see that this form is active. I can go around and select out the options and then submit it right here. But sometimes what you may want to do is you might want to disable the collection of responses in your forms. And in that case, you can go around and disable out the form data collection as well. So to do that, you can go around over here on the three dot button, and then you can go around onto settings, and over here you can see that accept responses is checked right now. If I were to uncheck this, then you can see it says recipients aren't able to fill out and submit this form now. So I'm going to go around over here and say deadline exceeded right here. So I'm just going to go around and say deadline exceeded right here. So let's say this is a quiz and people cannot respond anymore. So this is what you have. If I were to go around onto the preview section now, and then let's say fill out the form and click on submit right here, it says the form is closed because deadline is exceeded. So this is what they see right here. And that is how you can go around and disable out the accepting of responses. And what you can also do is you can go around over here onto settings and then re-enable it by pressing accept responses again as well. So now if I were to go around over here and then select out something right here and then select this out, submit, now you can see that it starts collecting the data again. And that is how you can go around and enable and disable accepting of responses inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.